What the World blog for today.
Hey, hope all is well with you. I am Leslie of LesAnn Creations, coming to you from my workroom. Who? So I put up a video recently about some fabric. When I counted it out, it didn't turn out the number it should have been. So yes, I did call the company. They ended up refunding me the money because there was no more of the fabric. But I'm not gonna complain because they at least refunded my money. So anyway, so I'm gonna show you the fabric because I don't think I had a good look because I was counting it, counting it. So it is a ombre print, and I will pop in at the end of the video the couple things that I did. I do have more left. I just rolled up some onto the boat that I kind of cut off, but I'll kind of mention those couple outfits. Probably cover my whole face when I do it because I'm doing this way instead of doing it this way. Sorry, it's okay. So this is an ombre print. It is a knit, like a jersey knit, but I'm gonna tell you, jersey knit, it can be considered brush jersey knit or whatever, but it's more like a sweater. It's a lightweight sweater material. So that's a thought. I'm gonna tell you about it in a second. Just had thought. So this nice ombre goes from a gray. It's a tannish gray, sort of tan. It looks gray on the screen, but it's more a tannish color. Ombre. This is olive green, a dark turquoisey blue, olive, and then it's a navy blue here. So ombres all the way through. I ended up, when I was doing the fashion shows, in fact, a couple of times afterwards, I did end up making and actually showcasing them in a couple of different places. One place I showcased it in is my fashion show I used to do called Dreams of a Thicker Christmas. And I showcased, it's called a dome top and then a mini skirt. The skirt wasn't a mini, it was just just above the knee, I believe. I did that one. That same showcase, I showcased it and sold it when I did it in New York. And it showcased in Portland, Oregon at the Kirby Closet. I think it's called Kirby Closet. That was showcased there. So show you that one. And then I did 2 different maxi dresses. The maxi dress with a long sleeve, I did and showcased it in New York. Yeah, it's showcased. It was a short sleeve. I believe I showcased a short sleeve one. I think I have a video or a picture of it, as well as it got showcased in Portland, and that one got sold in Portland, Oregon. What else did I do with it? I think that's all I did. A maxi dress, like 2 maxi dresses, 2 dome tops, 2 mini skirts, and still have, I believe I have some more somewhere else, but I decided to just roll this amount up. And I am going to probably, seeing that I've been doing some cardigans for myself, I may go ahead and do me a long cardigan because this is a very comfortable material. Very comfortable. It is warm. That's the one thing I found out. I would not suggest this particular pattern or this particular weight of material to be used any other place up in the northern states where it stays kind of cold, as far as using it maybe for almost, predominantly 3 seasons. Here in South Kakalaki, you may get lucky to wear it 1 month. So, but for me, I stay cold. So this will work perfectly, especially when I'm working or out doing errands. I just usually need a little bit of coverage, but this is great. I think I may have one maxi skirt or maxi dress or one of the dome sleeves and mini skirts still available. I haven't been selling much, so I ain't been stressed about it. But yeah, that's it. This and it. I am very thankful. I will suggest, going back to the video, I would suggest anybody who purchase a large quantity of fabric to count your fabric. Now, mind you, that wasn't the first company that has done it to me. That just happened to be one of the big orders I did because I was getting ready to do a fashion show and I needed that quantity for the fashion show because I was going to do a whole line and I did end up doing a whole line. I changed my mind. I do that a lot. So always measure your fabric. I do pretty much everything I purchase, everything. Even when it's 30 plus yards, I do measure it. If I did not watch you measure it, I am going to measure it. Because people make mistakes. We're human and we make mistakes. And sometimes I double check my own numbers because I could count it wrong. But yeah, always. Always and forever. Measure your fabric. Just saying. All right. That's your update for the the world. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. Talk to you later. Deuces.